There are 3.5 million unfilled cybersecurity jobs around the world right now. Not 3,500. Not 35,000. 3.5 million. Companies are desperately searching for people with these skills, and there simply aren't enough qualified professionals. If there was ever a career with a guaranteed job market, it's cybersecurity in 2026. Here's everything you need to know. Why cybersecurity is a career unlike any other. Every organization that uses the internet, which is every organization, is a potential target. Data breaches, ransomware attacks, phishing, insider threats. The cyber threat landscape is growing every year. This means demand for cybersecurity professionals isn't going anywhere. In fact, it's accelerating. And unlike some tech roles, cybersecurity cannot be offshored easily. Many positions require local clearance and proximity. Types of cybersecurity roles: security analyst, monitors systems for threats and responds to incidents. Ethical hacker or penetration tester, finds vulnerabilities before criminals do. Security engineer, builds and maintains security infrastructure. CISO, Chief Information Security Officer, senior leadership role. Cloud security specialist, securing AWS, Azure, or GCP environments. Each path has its own entry points and salary ceiling. Key certifications to target: CompTIA Security Plus, the most recognized entry-level cert. Certified Ethical Hacker from EC Council. CISP, Certified Information Systems Security Professional, the gold standard for experienced professionals. CompTIA CYSA Plus for security analysts. CHE and OSCP for penetration testing. Start with Security Plus. It opens the door to most junior roles. Do you need a degree? No degree required. Cybersecurity is one of the most certification-driven fields in tech. Employers care about what you can do. Can you identify a vulnerability, analyze a packet captured, respond to an incident? Certifications, home labs, CTF competitions, and hands-on experience matter far more than a university credential. How to build a home lab and get experience: set up a virtual lab using free tools like VirtualBox, Kali Linux, and Metasploitable. Practice on platforms like Hack the Box and TryHackMe. They simulate real-world attack and defense scenarios. Document your learning on a blog or GitHub. Employers value curiosity, initiative, and evidence of hands-on practice. Uplatz offers cybersecurity and ethical hacking courses designed to take you from beginner to certification ready. Whether you want to break into the field or level up, we have the structured training you need. Visit uplatz.com to explore our cybersecurity courses. Subscribe for more honest career guidance every week.